Alright guys, this is my milling attachment that I put together for my Atlas 10 inch TH42. So, and here's this face mill that I made. It was supposed to be a 2 inch 90 degree. It takes the APK inserts. It turns out this is actually a 50 millimeter face mill, and I'm cutting 2 inch round stock, so I'm gonna just dust it off and then raise, lower, whatever I have to do here, just bring it right back. I'll cut it backwards, it doesn't matter. These inserts were not the greatest that came with the cutter. There's definitely some awesome inserts, if you want to get a Seiko or Iscar. Yeah, there's a lot better inserts than what actually came with the cutter. But the cutter itself, I was pretty happy with, including this Wilton vise and this right here I got off of Amazon. I think I paid $150 for it. This was less than $50, surprisingly, for this vise. I did make modifications to it, and also I bought this cross slide right here off of eBay for like $25 specifically for this because you can see how I've got it bolted down. To do that, to make it more steady and more stable just for milling, and that's all this is set up for. I had to cut this off of that one, and I took it down right here all the way, and once I got it like dead nuts with this, I actually took it another like half a thou, so that way when I bolt it down, it's definitely gonna seat on all these, the entire surface here. But anyway, let's make a cut. So all right, we got it touched off. Let's back it out. And I'm just going to take like a 10th thou cut. Like I said, I just have to face it. So it's not a big deal. Let's just go 15. Okay. Sorry, I'm doing all this with my cell phone, so we got that all tightened down. Back it off a little more, and let's fire it up. And that made a really, really nice finish. So I'm pretty happy with how it's working. I am going to make a beefier one of these, and one that I can actually change the tools if I want to. If I want to put a 3-inch on here, or if I want to put just anything. I'm gonna make, let's see. Yeah, I'm gonna turn this one down. And I've already got it set up for the 8-inch threads to do this with. So yeah, I'll keep you posted on all that. But yeah, it cut really well. I was, pretty happy with it. So all right, thanks guys.